Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add thumbnails to Microsoft Edge. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. How to add thumbnails to Microsoft Edge. Launch the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Click on the gear icon available on the right side of the window. An options list will open. There you will find the Quick Links option. Click on the drop-down option and choose the number of rows to display. Later, on the home screen you will find the plus icon. Click on it. A pop-up will appear with two columns. Enter name in the first column and the URL in the second column. Later, click on Add. That's it, thumbnail is added to Microsoft Edge. How to modify the thumbnail in Microsoft Edge. Launch the Microsoft Edge browser and mouse over the thumbnail which you want to modify. Then, three dots option will appear. Click on it. An options list will open. Choose the Rename option from the list. Then a pop-up will appear. From there, you can modify the name. And later, click on Save. How to remove thumbnail in Microsoft Edge. Launch the Microsoft Edge browser and mouse over the thumbnail which you want to delete. Then, three dots option will appear. Click on it. An options list will open. Choose the Remove option from that list. Then you will find a message as shown in the tutorial. That's it, thumbnail has been removed. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.